Welcome back, viewers. You're watching the Savera and I'm Shefali. IndiGo Aviation, parent company of the country's largest airline, IndiGo, on Saturday received a 944.20 crore penalty order from the Income Tax Department, which the airline said was erroneous and frivolous. The assessment unit of the Income Tax Department passed on the order imposing 944.20 crore penalty for the assessment year 21-22, according to IndiGo. Meanwhile, the Chennai Joint Commissioner slapped a fine of 2.84 crore on the company. The department denied input tax credit due to the dispensary of fiscal 2018 to fiscal 2020. The order have been passed on the basis of an erroneous understanding that appeal filed by the company before the Commissioner of Income Tax CIT-A against the assessment order under Section 143(3) has been dismissed, whereas the same is still alive and pending adjudication, it said. The airline further said that the order passed by the Income Tax Authority doesn't comply with law and is erroneous and frivolous. The company will contest the same and will take appropriate legal remedies against the order, the statement further added. IndiGo stated the order does not have any significant impact on financials, operations or other activities of the company. IndiGo Aviation Limited on February 5 has said it got GST demand worth rupees 116 crore, which comprised penalties from the Additional Commissioner of the Central Goods and Service Tax in Delhi's South Commissionerate, including the Joint Commissioner of GST and Central Excise, China South. The Delhi Additional Commissioner had imposed a penalty of 113 crore. According to the department, it imposed GST on services provided to offshore recipient and was not an export of services, with refusals of input tax credit on certain services for financial year 2017-18. On January 15, the Customs Department imposed a fine of little over 25 lakh on IndiGo in connection to duty on jet fuel. Joint Commissioner, Office of the Commissioner of Customs, Ludhiana, had slapped it. IndiGo Aviation had said that there was demand for additional duty of customs on remnant aviation turbine fuel. Principal Commissioner of Customs, Air Cargo Complex, had waived a 2.17 crore penalty on January 6 after refusing the duty exemption on import of the aircraft part as the regulatory filling. These were no material impact on financials, operations and other activities of the company, it has said. That was all for now for IndiGo's story. For more updates and stories like this, download the Savera app, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and YouTube.